All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
British government debt hit 100% of economic output for the first time in recent history, and there was another large budget deficit last month, adding to the problems for Finance Minister Rachel Reeves as she readies her tax and spending plans. Public sector net debt, excluding public sector-owned banks, rose to 100% of GDP for the first time since monthly records began in 1993, up from 99.3% in July, the Office for National Statistics said on Friday, 20th September 2024. Bank of England records show debt was last running at this level on a regular basis in the early 1960s when Britain was still dealing with the financial repercussions of World War II. Government debt soared during the global financial crisis and then again during the COVID-19 pandemic. Weak economic growth since then has also contributed to the increase as a share of gross domestic product. The government borrowed £13.734 billion, $18.29 billion in August, £3.3 billion more than in August last year. A Reuters poll had pointed to a deficit of £12.4 billion. The figures showed a rise in spending on social benefits and current expenditure, reflecting higher than usual inflation. Reeves has warned taxes will go up in her 30th October budget, but she has ruled out increases in rates of income, corporation and value-added taxes, leaving scant room for maneuver to improve public services and boost investment. PwC economist Gaura Suri said the August public finances figures highlight the challenging fiscal position facing the Chancellor ahead of her first budget. So far, the government has borrowed £64.1 billion over the first 5 months of the 2024-25 financial year, about £6 billion more than the Office for Budget Responsibilities forecast that it published in March. The deficit figures have come in higher than the OBR expected for each of the last 4 months. Several hundreds of billions of pounds worth of government debt is owned by the Bank of England. Excluding the BOE, debt as a share of the economy rose to 92%, another record, from 91.6% in July. The report is the penultimate snapshot of the country's public finances before the newly elected government reveals its financial plan at the annual budget event next month. This one could be a biggie. The UK has already been warned of difficult decisions after a pickup in the economy earlier this year failed to improve the country's finances. In other words, folk should expect an unpopular combination of spending cuts and tax hikes. Brits seem to have heeded the warning. Data out on Friday showed that a key index of consumer confidence in the UK plunged 7 points to land firmly in the negatives, indicating high levels of pessimism. The last time the index fell that fast was in April 2022, when energy costs hit the roof in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. That signals that households are losing faith in their finances, a big deal given that consumer spending accounts for 2/3 of the UK economy.